Guys, welcome back to my series Naisha's Animal Facts, where I will read you 5 animal facts from the book of the world's most amazing animal facts for kids. Let's get started, but first I need to open the page. Fact number 6. A fully grown bear can run as fast as a horse. Fact number 7. The only purple animal is the South African blesbok. Fact number 8. Slugs have 4 noses. Fact number 9. An earthworm has 5 hearts. Fact number 10. A lion's roar can be heard from over 5 miles away. That's all.
Do you have any joke for today?
No.
Okay.
Bye-bye.